what's up guys? Welcome to Revline 89. So for today, we got our two sub boxes here, our shallow sub boxes, and Power Acoustics hooked us up. So we got some speakers to be putting in these, and if you guys have been following the channel, we're getting rid of that massive cube bomb. Something small, simple, will save room, and is definitely going to be plenty loud for us. Alright, let's get started. So I'll put a link in the video description where you guys can get the subwoofers and also the sub boxes. Sometimes they have a sale, sometimes they don't. I want to say these are 1300 watts subs. We'll see. Alright, so they are 1400 watts, and they are Power Acoustics. So there you guys can see, 2.5 inch shallow, 12 inch subwoofer, fits virtually any tight space, internal vented magnet assembly, optimizes enclosure mounting depth, so semicircular frame venting, 4 OHM voice coil. So again guys, I'll put a link in the video description where you guys can get these. And to be quite honest, they actually look really nice. Look how thin that is. That is so cool. Man, we're gonna save room. So let's see how they have this. Plus and minus simply go right in here. Oh yeah, that's gonna look really nice, guys. I mean, check this out. So they're gonna go behind the seats of the Mustang. Wow, that's gonna look really nice. I just have to decide how we're gonna have it. So we're gonna have it vented probably facing like this. So we're gonna want to mount them just like that. Now they do not supply any screws or anything like that, so you will have to supply your own screws. Well, that's not too bad. Look at that. Look how nice that is. Wow. I'm actually really impressed by the style. You know, we'll have to install them and see how they sound, but it's definitely going to be really nice. And also, speakers will go by your box as well, so you know they're not going to have the most crazy pounding bass due to the smaller box. Now this is a vented box as well, so not much of a vent, but it helps a little bit. So there we go, we got that one ready to go. Next one, let's go ahead. I don't think there's screws in here, but we're gonna look one last time. Nope, nothing in there, just looks like a warranty thing. Again, I'll put a link in the video description where you guys can get everything. And this will be a full video, so you guys will hear how they sound. So these looked okay. Just got some white stuff on this one. Just have to rub that off. Alright, now let's see. Before we get started with everything, we need to run the cables. So the power wires. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to run our screws in here. So let's go ahead and do that. Check them out. Wow, I'm very impressed. So everything went good. We'll install them next. So 3, 2, 1. Alright, one sub box is in. Man, that's so much better. Cleaned up our seats, cleaned up our trunk. Well, we still gotta clean up wires and stuff, but you know what I mean. That was a nightmare getting those other sub boxes out, but boy, I am sure glad that we did it. I did put a little foam piece in front of the sub, just in case there's anything sharp. I don't want it to poke and hit the sub, so we just put a flexible foam piece right here. Now to do the other side. Alright, oh my goodness, so that was annoying, and mainly just because of the other sub. So we got them wired up. This thing is so horribly dirty and disgusting in here. I have so much stuff in here for future mods that I'm doing. I gotta clean this Mustang out. But yeah, they're both in. Copyright issues, we are not going to add the sound test in this video. I'll let you guys know how it turned out, but I will do a separate video, a quick video with just the sound test, so that will be coming probably after this video. You know, the next upload, I would assume. So yeah. Hey guys, I wanted to stop and take a very quick break and ask if you guys could hit that like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. It is very hard to grow these days, and if you could do that, that would mean so much to me. I really do appreciate it.